Oh, Papa used to be big in the house until the feds and the ops brought in crack, marijuana, alcohol, gats, and told him, yo, you got to fall back because you can't be in the house with your wife or your baby's mama because we gave her Section 8 welfare and food stamps. So we're outside these streets and do your dance. Go out there and take a chance. Taking a chance was called trapping, called hustling. But the trap is that a trap was already set, and that's called the prison or the casket, right? But then they took away positive and conscious rap, and they called it old school and left it at that. And they got y'all doing this mumble rap and gang gang. But guess where you ending up, black? In the trap. You ended up in the prison. You ended up in the casket. What they're not telling you is you should learn a trade like HVAC. That's air conditioning. It's easy. You should learn plumbing, electrician. You can learn medical billing. You don't got to be out there killing your own people. Why are we killing each other? We are brothers and sisters. We are supposed to build our community and be one tribe, one community, one nation, like everybody else. And that's why we're in last place, because we're killing each other. We're disrespecting our women and our children, and we're being boys by not taking care and building up our community, while every other community and ethnic group had their neighborhoods tight. And you better not go in there with no fight. You better not go in there with no drugs. You better not go in there with no drama. And you know that. So as I drive around and I'm in the hood, I see bars on the windows on the hood that's 10 blocks by 10 blocks because y'all are killing each other and robbing each other. But you won't dare go across the tracks to trap. So what's up with that? Where your heart at? Where your smarts at? Instead of trapping, y'all need to get together and build legal businesses. Since you got so many people that's organized, be wise. Build something that'll make our people rise. Because trapping ain't gonna do nothing but get you in a trap. Y'all need to stop playing. They got the jails ready for you. And guess what? They get paid when you get locked up. Who gets paid? The warden, the CO, the district attorney, the judge, the parole officer, the lawyers, attorneys, all them people get paid. The people that make the beds, the food, the sheet, the jail bars, the handcuffs, they get paid off of you, but you so cool. Gang gang and all of that, like a fool, a chain of fools. That's what you are. A chain of fools. Who else gets paid when you get killed or somebody else gets killed, right? The crematoriums, the funeral parlors, the preachers. The preachers ain't out here, most of them ain't out here trying to get you to be in community, get you to stop the violence for real. They come after the case. And the civil rights leaders come after the case with their preaching and their hands out. Yo, mama, I know it's sad. But don't tell them to riot. Don't tell them to break nothing up. Don't tell them to boycott. Don't tell them to come together and build a business. What you tell them is be cool and let's have peace so you can get that bag. Mama, you want mama to get that bag from a civil suit. That's cute, but we don't have no power doing that. We're the only race or nation or people in America without power because we're killing each other. It was designed. They're using you as fuel for the fire, young man. So take care of your family, take care of your community. Turn that illegal business into legal hustle because you're under surveillance. They watching you. They know where you live. They know where you at. They got you on film. You're putting yourself on film and videos. You're telling on yourself. You're whatever street gang. So now they know where you hang. They know where you live. Come on, kid. Stop. It's over. Trapping is played out. Trapping's played out. Stop it. Grow up. Be a man. Man up.